Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Escape tire. First, ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, away from moving traffic. Always engage the parking brake and activate your hazard lights for safety. Gather your tools, the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk or under the cargo area. Safety is paramount before starting any work. Before lifting the vehicle, you need to loosen the lug nuts. Use your lug wrench and turn each lug nut counterclockwise. Apply firm pressure, and if needed, use your foot for extra leverage. Just loosen them about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Do not remove them entirely yet. This step makes removal much easier once the car is lifted.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the car is on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Double-check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to a service center.
Now, carefully position the jack under the designated jack point on your Ford Escape's frame, usually indicated in your owner's manual. Slowly raise the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Make sure the car is stable and secure on the jack before proceeding. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and take off the flat tire. Carefully place the spare tire onto the wheel studs, ensuring it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can. This ensures the spare tire is properly seated before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.